Raw food diet. A nutritional guide to enhance your health. In pursuing a healthier lifestyle, many individuals are turning towards a raw food diet. This dietary approach involves consuming foods that are in their natural, uncooked state, which proponents believe provides numerous health benefits. The intricacies of the raw food diet, exploring its potential advantages, considerations, and how to incorporate it into your daily life. What is a raw food diet? A raw food diet, or a raw vegan diet, centers around consuming unprocessed and uncooked plant-based foods. This includes fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and sprouted grains. The philosophy behind this diet is that cooking foods can diminish their nutritional value due to the loss of enzymes and heat-sensitive nutrients. The benefits of going raw. Enhanced nutrient intake. Raw foods are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. These nutrients are often more bioavailable in their raw state, aiding digestion and overall health. Increased energy levels. Advocates of the raw food diet report heightened energy levels and improved vitality. The diet's nutrient-dense nature can lead to increased endurance and overall well-being. Weight management. A raw diet can support weight management by emphasizing whole, unprocessed foods. These foods tend to be lower in calories and fat while highly satisfying. Digestive health. Raw foods are packed with fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Enzymes in raw foods may also assist in breaking down nutrients, reducing digestive discomfort. Getting started on a raw food diet. Gradual transition. Transitioning to a raw food diet should gradually allow your body to adjust. Start by incorporating more raw fruits and vegetables into your meals while reducing processed foods. Variety is key. Aim for a diverse range of raw foods to ensure you receive a wide spectrum of nutrients. Include colorful fruits, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and sprouted grains. Food safety. While raw foods offer numerous benefits, it's important to prioritize food safety. Wash produce thoroughly and consider soaking or sprouting certain foods to reduce the risk of bacterial contamination. Overcoming challenges. Social situations. Eating raw can be challenging in social settings or when dining out. Planning and communicating your dietary choices can help alleviate potential discomfort. Nutritional balance. Ensure you're getting a balance of macronutrients, such as protein and healthy fats. Include nuts, seeds, avocados, and legumes in your diet. Embracing a raw food diet can be a transformative journey towards better health. By incorporating a variety of nutrient-rich, uncooked foods into your meals, you can experience increased energy, improved digestion, and a host of other benefits. Remember to plan your diet carefully, prioritize food safety, and consult professionals to ensure you achieve a balanced and sustainable approach to this unique dietary lifestyle.